everybody, welcome to another amazing adventure of Adventure Joe, Gone Fishing Edition. I thought it was such a beautiful day today that we would just go outside, enjoy the sun for a little bit, and do some fishing. So if you got your adventure hat with you and you're ready to go, then let's go fishing. There is a way that you should put your hooks or your worms on your hook. I'm gonna do a little caution on this, as some people might get squeamish. But what we're doing, we're just taking the hook end like that. And this little guy, he's super excited about this. Put him in the very end, so he's on the hook like that, and we just squeeze him through. Don't worry about that brown stuff. That's just a little poo. Worms poop too. And then next thing you know, he's on the hook. He's not coming off, so you don't have to worry about losing him. Important lesson to know when fishing. And we've got one on. You never know what's gonna happen here. We're out here sucker fishing. Woo-wee. I don't know if you can see that pole. This one's big. This one's real big. Gotta be real careful with this stuff. You gotta wear down a little bit. That's why you always gotta keep fresh line on your pole. And you always have your net nearby. Atlas is ready. Getting closer. Getting closer. Atlas. Man, he's a big. What's up, buddy? You're back. You're back, Atlas. You're back. Come on. Fire him out. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. And there we go. Well, Atlas, get back. Come on, catch up. Atlas, get back. Atlas, catch up. Oh. Come on. Oh, and we got him. Hey, look at that. We got that on camera? We got that on camera. I wanted to show you guys how to tie a fishing hook onto a fishing pole. Number one in fishing, if you can't tie a fishing hook, then you're not going fishing. So I'm going to show you how to do a couple of different fishing knots. Now this one is very simple. You slide the fishing line through the opening, bend it around, and you just twist that little line right around the other line. And you can also just twist that too. See how it's all twisted up? Okay, next step is take this part and you go through the little hole right there. And you have to just bring that little piece through that little line again, and you tighten it. And I like to use my teeth here, but and then the line breaks, and it shows you that you should have changed your fishing line. The other knot I wanted to show you is when the lines are broken. This is how you mend two knots together. So you take these two lines, you take one of them, and you just do a regular knot around it using the one line. Just a regular old knot. Super simple. Then you tie that tight. See? And then you take this other line and you do the exact same thing. Now you got it tight on 2 different ends, and they are super tight together. That is a great way to not break your fishing line anymore. This is going to be a big one. This is going to be a big one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. And slowly bring him in. Slowly bring him in. There he is. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Another monster sucker. Look at that. Look at that big fish. Atlas. All right, so now all we have to do is get this hook. See this? Whoa, whoa, whoa there, buddy. Now see, these fish, they don't have teeth. But he just hooked it right in his lip here. So take this hook and just kind of get out of there. Here we go. The hook. And then you got to take a picture for posterity. See, this is roughly a 36-inch fish. Atlas loves fish, apparently. And yeah, that's fish number 3. Thank you very much for watching another amazing adventure of Adventure Joe. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. Fishing is a lot of fun, and if you've never done it before, give it a shot. You're gonna get dirty. It's a little bit messy, but man, is it a lot of fun. And you get to enjoy the great outdoors. Make sure you get one of these. You do have to be legal to fish in every single state. Children, for the most part, get to fish for free. Always remember to chase your dreams, and life is an adventure, so go out and live it.